Welcome students. Today we will going to continue chapter procedure and documents used in home trade. In earlier video I was discussed about inquiry, procedure of home trade, inquiry and quotations. Now in this video we will continue the next step, that is third, catalog and price list. Catalog and price list. Catalog means detailed information about quantity, size, price, code number, etc. of goods. Okay, so in case of intending buyer request for additional information, the seller may send catalog to him. Okay, additional information. कोटेशंस में मोस्ट ऑफ इन्फॉर्मेशन सप्लायर सेंड कर देता है बायर्स को. रिमीन्स इफ buyer want to know additional information, okay, to provide this additional information supplier send a catalog and price list to intending buyer. Okay, this is the third step in home trade. Okay, so a catalog is printed handbook. It is prepared by the seller from prospective customer about goods available, sales, their prices and other terms and conditions. Okay, in catalog the price of goods unchanging, therefore the price list are prepared to supplement catalog. Yes, प्राइस टाइम टू टाइम चेंज होते रहते हैं, सो सप्लीमेंट कैटलॉग भी सेंड किए जाते हैं सप्लायर द्वारा बायर को. दिस द प्राइस स्टेटेड इन द प्राइस लिस्ट इज नोन एज लिस्ट प्राइस. लिस्ट प्राइस ओके, तो स्टेटेड इन द लिस्ट द प्राइस स्टेटेड इन द लिस्ट इज नोन एज लिस्ट प्राइस. ओके, नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज ऑर्डर. After receiving quotation from different supplier, the buyer scrutinize all of them and select favorable supplier. Then the buyer send an order for the purchase of goods. An order is formal acceptance by buyer of the offer made by the seller in his quotations. In order is sent by the buyer after he is satisfied with the term and conditions given by the seller in his quotations. Okay, so buyer sent the inquiry multiple supplier. Inquiry letter multiple buyers को buyer supply करता है and receiving the quotations from them. Okay, after receiving quotations from different supplier, we choose which buyer from which buyer supply here buy product. Okay, so select most favorable supplier and then he send order to that supplier for the buying the goods. Okay, in an order must clarify, specifies detailed. Okay, number one, number of orders for future reference and name and address of the buyer का address and quantity, quality of goods, price to be paid and time, mode, place, term and terms as credit, special instructions if any. Okay, these information must be in an order. Okay, now see, a specimen of the order is given. See, so see specimen, Bhatia book store. Yes, intending buyer orders to whom? Supplier, the sales manager and yes and company, and says Dear sir, please supply the following books: ISC Commerce for class first year 800 pieces, number of copies; ISC Commerce second year 800 copies; Accountancy class first year 1000 copy; Accountancy number of copies; Accountancy for class second year 1000 copy. Your faithfully बायर भाटिया स्पीक स्टोर बायर बायर ने ऑर्डर किया किसको? सप्लायर द सेल मैनेजर यस चांद एंड कंपनी लिमिटेड को. ओके, दिस इज द स्पेसिमेन ऑफ ऑर्डर. नेक्स्ट, आफ्टर रिसीविंग द ऑर्डर acknowledgement. Next step is acknowledgement. Acknowledgement means give a reply by the buyer to the seller that order got received. Okay, in case, okay, by one receiving the order, supplier sent the acknowledgement is sent to inform the buyer about the receiving and acceptance the order. The order is stamped with the date of receipt, given a serial number, and record in order receiving book. Future reference: in the case of buyer want to purchase goods on credit, the buyer inquiries about the financial standing, creditworthiness of the buyer. For this purpose, trade reference and bank reference given by the buyer and other concerned agencies may be connected. So, in case buyer want to buy credit basis, then supplier can demand trade and bank references for check out the credit worthiness of the buyer. Okay, after receiving check bank and trade references, if supplier satisfied, then he allowed the credit basis order. Okay, next step is execution. Yes, next step is next video. Okay.